On the desktop, look for the Quizmaker icon. If it is not there, you can search in the search bar and type Quizmaker. Then it will come out on the top list. So just click it to open and wait till the Articulate Quizmaker is launched. When the Articulate Quizmaker window is launched, on the left side, click New Quiz to be able to open the Quizmaker Workspace. As you can see, the Quizmaker has almost the same look and feel with Microsoft Office, wherein you can see the quick access toolbar at the top, the different tabs which has its own ribbons, and the ribbon has categories, and each category have different commands. So we will be encountering those commands later. Our first task is to create a graded question. To be able to do that, we will click the graded question command. A dialog box will appear containing the different question types under Graded, Survey, and Freeform. So let's go back to the graded questions and we will choose the multiple choice since it is a commonly used type of question. Upon selecting the multiple choice, the Quizmaker will direct you to the form view. This form view will allow you to easily input your question and the choices below. After entering the question, you should select the correct answer in this column. Below the choices is the setting of your feedback and branching. So here, you can click More. Again, a dialog box will pop up wherein you can edit the statement like excellent, you are correct. You could also add audio to your feedback by just clicking the red button. Same button is clicked to stop the recording. You could play it so that you can hear your audio, and if you want to edit it, just click this icon. Let's try editing the audio. Click the volume icon to increase the volume of your audio. You can also crop the audio by just selecting the range of audio that you want to crop and click Crop command in the ribbon. You could always increase the volume so that the audio will be clearer to your learners, but just make sure that you will not set it too high. If you are satisfied with the volume, you can now save and close the audio editor. You could also import audio by clicking this icon here and find the folder where your audio file is located. But since we already have recorded an audio earlier, I will not continue on importing this audio file for it may overlap to the audio that I have recorded. Also, under branching, you could select which slide will appear after the learners took the quiz. Let's do the same with the incorrect feedback. Click More, edit the statement, and create or edit the audio, and hit OK button. You could also set the points for this quiz by typing your desired points for the question. On the top, you can set the feedback by question. You can shuffle the choices, score it by question, and set the number of attempts for the question. By clicking 2 attempts, you can now see a try again feedback at the bottom. So now, it's time to preview your quiz. Here's a preview of the question we created. Whether the learner answers incorrectly or correctly, he or she will get a feedback and his or her corresponding points. As you can see here, the passing score is 80%. We need to change that into 75%. So close this preview window and on the Quizmaker workspace, click the Question tab. On the ribbon, you can find the quiz properties and click the command. A dialog box will appear, and now you can set the passing score to 75%. That's it. Very easy.